Okay, Hayden, you know why we're here?
I do.
Because you lost the Top Dogtober forfeit.
I did.
That means you've got to do the hot sauce challenge. We're going to do it today. We've got loads of hot sauces to get through. I can't wait because he's genuinely angry that he's got
Why have you done this to me?
So, thank you for voting for me. Thank you for using my code. Thank you for giving me the views. Because when we started everything up, it was 10-7 to me. So it was comfortable. It wasn't even close.
I was begging for views in my videos, guys.
And it didn't work. So, Hayden's going to do the hot sauce challenge. And, even better for you, Hayden, you're obviously going to dip them in and try them. But there's going to be a double down forfeit. I'll explain it in a minute. Okay, sauce number one. It's a nice one to get you started. You want to pick it up?
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Open up. All of these are Tabasco sauces. This is a lime one. And usually when it's citrusy with lime, it's not as hot. How's it smell?
It smells quite spicy.
Yeah. Okay, that's the least spicy one.
Okay.
And that comes in on the Scoville scale, which measures how hot peppers are, at 1,000. Now, 1,000 might sound like a lot.
Sounds like a lot.
It's not, okay? A bell pepper's a couple hundred. That doesn't taste like anything, okay? Jalapenos are a couple of thousand.
Okay, I've eaten those before.
So, we're going to try right now.
All right.
You're going to dip your chicken nugget in.
Pre-made.
So, it's already in there, green.
Okay.
Get a good dip, please.
Look, I'll even scoop it up.
But before you eat it, I've got a question for you. You're going to have 10 seconds to answer it.
Right.
If you're successful, you finish there. You're done. Okay, good dip.
Okay,
good dip.
That's a good dip.
If you don't get it right though, you've got to eat the entire nugget, dipping every time. Okay.
This is not planned.
This is what we're going to do though. Okay, so ready?
Oh, okay. When do I get the question?
After you've put it in your mouth and eaten it. Okay?
Okay, ready? Here goes.
Let's go. Okay, you got 10 seconds, Hayden. Good?
Oh.
You got 10 seconds from now. Name 5 chocolates from a Cadbury's Hero box. Go.
Dairy Milk.
9.
Whisper.
8.
7. Pre-Mag.
6.
Eclair.
5. 4. 3.
Caramel.
He's got it. He's got it. Now, I will say...
That was not too bad.
Was it alright?
It was like... I'm a bit worried because that was like already near my spice threshold.
Right, you passed that one. Was the easiest question. We're going to transition again. We're going to come back with a hotter one.
Oh.
Right, phase 2. Now we're going to go into the hotter one. The next one, that is Tabasco sauce again. This one is called Classic. And this is rated 3 fire symbols, whatever that means.
Okay.
If you want it in Scoville scale, that was 1,000, Hayden.
Yeah.
This one,
2,000?
5,000.
Oh, okay, that's 5 times hotter.
5 times hotter. And remember, if you do not answer my question, you have to double dip and finish the whole nugget. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so...
Well, the first one was alright, so...
You're not sweating. We do have water ready for him.
I'm a bit worried because that was already spicy.
Good dip, please. Get a good dip. Show the camera.
Right. Oh, there it is. Can you go? I don't know if I can see it.
Yeah,
it's all in there.
Okay.
Nearly poured it everywhere.
That's it. That's a good dip. That's a good dip.
Right, it's covered.
So, as soon as you start eating it, I'm going to give you a question. You've got 10 seconds to answer it, okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. I want you... Is it alright? I want you to name 5 countries beginning with S. Go.
Saudi Arabia.
7. 6.
Sudan.
5. 4. 3.
South Africa.
2.
Scotland.
1. 0. Right, you got to finish something. Spain.
Oh,
Spain.
I was so busy, my tongue was on
You
fire.
got 4. You got a 4 out of 5. Right, so Hayden, double dip until you finish the whole thing. Double dip. You got double dip. You can whack it all in if you want.
It's Kate.
That gets you out of it, because if you don't, you have to dip again. Any good?
It's not 5 times spicier.
Okay. That might pay off for you later. Okay.
I hope so.
Okay, so 2 down.
Okay.
Last one.
Yeah, this is easy.
Easy? Okay, we'll do a transition.
Should have got him doing it.
Nah, no way, I'm good. Okay, how you feeling?
My mouth's a little bit on fire.
Yep.
But I'm alright, this is easy. Easy challenge.
Easy? Okay, well, we've got the last one coming up now. This one is fiery. It's Tabasco sauce again. This time it's 4 fire symbols, whatever that means. But this one, how many Scovilles do you reckon we're going for this time? 1,000, 5,000?
7,000, 8,000?
8,000! So you bang on.
There you go.
8,000 on the Scoville scale. Easy, apparently. We're going to have another question.
Let me give it a whiff. It smells similar to the last one.
Oh, yeah, but a bit strong.
Yeah, and my mouth's already on fire, so...
No, let's try again. And if you get the question wrong, you have to double dip.
This one looks...
Let's give him a close-up.
More chili-ish, doesn't it? Look at that.
That smell. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Calm down there.
Right, okay.
Okay, ready? Big dip, please.
So another question, yeah?
Yeah, another question. Big dip. We're on 8,000.
Oh, look at
Okay.
that.
This time.
I'm really regret this.
Can you hold it towards the camera, please?
Oh,
That is
look at that.
caked. That's not ketchup, guys. That is hot sauce.
Ketchup.
So, what I want to do now then,
Yeah.
you're going to take a bite.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to give you the question as you're biting, and I want all of them within 5 seconds. There's 7 to name.
What?
7 to name.
What?
You have 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Any stalling, that's it. Double dipping.
Oh my god.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay, off you go.
Wish me luck. Oh.
I want all 7 official colours of the rainbow. Go.
Oh, I don't even know. I don't know. Oh, I can't. It's really hot.
You're double dipping, boy.
I can't even think. Oh.
Colours of the rainbow.
I know, but all I'm thinking was, oh, here's my fiery tongue
Well,
one.
there's the first one, mate. Red. Do you know them now?
Yeah, I was
No,
thinking of the song.
official. Come on. What are they?
What do you mean official. What?
Well,
red
I want the
and
proper
yellow
names.
And, oh, because as in when it gets to like indigo, indigo and
exactly. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. You got it wrong, so he's got a double dip until the end.
oh, that one. I tell you what, that is 5 times hotter than the last one.
Do you reckon? Go on, double dip. Get a big dip in. You've not gone for the water yet, though.
Oh,
Nice big.
are we happy with this?
Yeah, get it in.
Oh, I
The
regret
sun's
it.
come out on me like I'm.
But I tell you what, guys. Thanks for the challenge. Easy, complete
Yeah,
it.
completed it. Yeah. Do you know what's really good, guys? Do you know what's great? He thinks he's finished.
Yeah.
He thinks he's finished.
I'm not doing that again.
No. I just wanted to let you know that we love you here at Top Dog.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, new bowl. Why might we need a new bowl?
What?
I don't know. We might cut and we'll find out. So, lighting's messed up a bit, but it doesn't matter because we can't think of anything other than the heatness at the end.
No,
apparently.
the heatness.
The heatness. Even I'm going. I'm not even doing it.
My tongue
So-
is on fire.
Is it? You okay?
Yeah.
Well, what was that? 1,000, 5,000, 8,000.
8,000.
You think you're finished?
I can't believe he's done this.
No. No. We went shopping especially. This is from your partner, Lauren, bought this just for you. It's called the Encona Spice of Your Life Extra Hot Pepper Sauce, hotter than hot, 5 chilies.
5 chilies.
It's a
Alright.
it's a hot one this, so we're gonna open it.
Well, that was 4 chilies.
That's
so
4 chilies, yeah. So this was 1,000, 5,000, 8,000.
Go on.
This
Let me
one-
guess. Oh, I don't know. It's more.
Okay.
Double.
So it's hotter. Let's put it that
Okay.
way.
Right.
But for this one, there you go. Look at that. Oh, spilled some. Look at that love heart.
You're going to have to eat that.
So we're ready.
Okay.
We're dipping in.
Then-
Your question on this one
Yeah.
is going to be to tell me there's a range for how hot this one is because they can't be sure for exact.
What do you mean I can't be sure?
There's a range for how hot this one is on the Scoville scale.
Oh my
1,000, 5,000, 8,000. This one has a range. I want you to tell me the higher end of the range.
Okay.
If you're within 1,000, you get it right.
Okay.
If you're not,
Don't.
you've got to double dip this
Oh my god.
until it's finished. Okay?
It can't be that much more. This was 4 chilies. I mean, it's different brand, but
1,000, 5,000, 8,000.
Okay.
So we're going to be revealing the Scoville level once you've had a go. Okay?
I'm worried. Look at the shadows on my face.
Yeah, I know, right? So,
Okay.
here we go. Dip it in. Proper dip, please. That's it. Proper dip.
Right. Is everyone
Okay.
satisfied with my
So,
dip?
Hayden, you know your question. You're going to eat
Yeah.
it.
Hold on.
And you're going to eat you're going to eat it.
Yeah.
And then you're going to tell me the higher range. If you're wrong, keep dipping.
Right, ready?
Ready, go. Come on.
Nothing shit up.
It's usually a bit of a delay when they get hotter.
I'm good. This is fine.
Really?
Nothing to shit yet.
Keep going. No.
That's not too bad.
Are you joking?
No, that's not too bad. It's just really horribly spicy. Oh.
What do you-
Now it's getting. Oh.
What do you think this is in Scoville?
Hit the back of my throat. Oh yeah.
So in Scoville, 1,000, 5,000, 8,000.
Oh.
What's the top end range of this one?
Oh, I reckon that's at least double.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 20,000.
Wrong.
Oh no.
Top end of that one, 577,000.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
I swear, the range is from 100,000 to 500.
Is that why the back of my throat is burning?
Yes, you can't stop. You got to dip again. Proper dip.
Ready? Should we do a big
Proper
one?
dip.
Should
Big
we do a
dip.
big one?
Big dip.
Should we scoop it up?
How are you doing this?
Just scoop it up like this.
Get it in your mouth.
Ready? Thanks for the challenge.
Sorry, I can't believe it. Are you okay with this?
Oh, that's real. I sort of swallowed a bit of sauce. Oh. It's spicy.
I'm amazed.
Spicy.
I'm amazed you've got this far.
500,000?
500.
100 of these?
It's got Scotch bonnets in it. It's got everything.
Oh, that's really spicy. I'm sweating.
You don't want a drink?
No.
You've annoyingly smashed that. Right, we're going to think of a hard one next time. There's going to be something where we might cut in a minute and have a bit of extra footage.
Yeah, so you wait till
struggling.
I can feel it. I can feel it just still building.
5 minutes later.
How you feeling?
That kicked in late.
Do you want any more?
Oh, I can feel the tears. It's fine. Smashed it.
Alright guys, that's the end of Top Dogtober. This is what we culminated with, Hayden having a absolute mare with the hot sauce. Thank you for watching and we've had a blast. I hope you have as well. Hayden, say bye mate.
See ya.
Bye, see ya.